Creating a mobile interactive form with ScanLink is easy, and there are two options available. The first option is to use the form survey checklist template. The second option is to use the form builder tool that's available in any of the other code profile templates. For this example, we'll use the form survey checklist. So to get started, click on Form Survey Checklist and then click Add a new code. This will allocate one of your ScanLink codes to the Form Builder template. The first thing to do is to give your code profile a name. This is the name that will appear in your ScanLink account so that you can identify the form attached to this code. You can upload a logo to appear at the top of your form. When we move down to the Form Builder template, there's an option to add an existing form. By clicking this box, it opens up a list of previous forms that you've saved that you can then import into this form. To give the form a name, and enter a recipient's email. This is the email that forms submitted from a mobile device will be sent to automatically. There's the option here to add multiple email addresses or remove them as required. To create your form, you use the three content element creation tools: question tools, format tools, and answer tools. To utilize these, it's a simple click and drag onto the form template. So first, we'll add a heading. I simply click the heading tile, drag it onto the form template, and enter my heading. And then click Save. Next, I'll add a question. I click on the question text tile, drag it onto the form, and enter my question. Then click Save. Next, I'll add an answer option. Click on the text field, drag it down, and click Save. So now I have a heading, a question, and a text field for the mobile user to enter the answer. We'll add a date now, so we'll drag down the question tool, we'll call it date, and save. Then we'll use the date answer tile and save that in position. Next, create a question that requires the time and save. Then we'll drag down the time answer tool and save. There are multiple choice answers, checkboxes, drop-down menus, number scales, and grids. The next question I'll create will require a multiple choice answer. I type in my question and save, and scroll up to the multiple choice answer tool and drop that onto my form. Once I've put in the multiple choice answer options, I click Save, and you can see that the answer options appear on the screen. To finish off my form, I'll drag down a signature panel, enter some text, and save. To save my form, I click Save, and there I have it, my form saved under my form survey checklist. To view my form, I simply go into the edit icon, and I can view the form on the mobile screen. And obviously, I can scan my QR code to view the form on my mobile device. The second option for creating a mobile interactive form with Form Builder is to add a form to one of the other template types. So for example, if we would want to add a form to this code which currently features a product, we'd simply go into the edit space, scroll down to Form Builder, and click Activate for this profile. To add the Form Builder function to one of the other code profile types, there's a small fee and it's $5. We confirm the billing details and click Proceed. Once the order is activated, return to the code profile template, and you'll see that your Form Builder tile is now ready for use. Now the benefit or advantage in having a form on one of the other code profile types is that you can also include videos, text, pictures, documents, a lot more information and content on that code profile.